Good morning. So we are at the Isla Marietas. So this is a national park in Nayarit. So this is the island, and you can see some birds. Birds. And these are the tour boats. Marietas Island. We saw some blue-footed boobies.
So they used to allow boats to go in. Yeah. But then there were people that they were just moving around and they went when the tide was low. So the boat kind of flipped and like water. So one time when the boat like what was I saying?
Oh, the blowhole.
Look at that, the water goes up and down like 5 feet, 6 feet. Look at.
Oh, I'm going to take a video of that.
Nice job, guys.
Hello, good morning. We are at Isla Marietas. This is a national park in Nayarit. So you can see the islands behind us, and yeah, you're not allowed to climb on the island, but you can do some snorkeling around it. These are the endangered and protected islands, and there is like wonderful bird life. I saw many birds. I saw blue-footed boobies. I saw some pelicans and some other birds. We did not see any animals, so this is mostly kind of a bird's paradise. And you can see those birds. You can see those birds in Galapagos Island, and the other place is this island. So yeah, it's a beautiful experience to be at Isla Marietas. See you guys later. Bye.